Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. I'll be showing you these amazing butters and how you can work with them. If one is not working for you, what you can use in place of that same one. So today I'll be starting with the shea butter unrefined. It has a bit of a strong smell and some people don't like this. Also, if you're allergic to nuts, it wouldn't work for you. So you can go ahead and try the refined shea butter, which has been purified. For our own version of refined shea butter, we use clays to process it. And if you don't like any of the shea butters, you can go ahead and try Cupuaçu butter, which is an incredible butter. That's one of the butters that I showed at the beginning of this video. So Cupuaçu butter is just the same texture as the shea butter unrefined. So you would be able to get a lot of benefits from it. And then we have the Muru Muru butter, which is another butter that you can use instead if you do not like the shea butter or Cupuaçu butter or refined shea butter, because Cupuaçu butter actually has a smell as well. And if you don't like a bit of a cocoa butter smell, then you would not like Cupuaçu butter. So you can go ahead and try Muru Muru instead. So when it comes to cocoa butter, some people also don't like the strong chocolatey smell. I'm not sure why, but then some people don't like it. So if you don't like it and if you feel it's going to overpower your DIY creations, there is a substitute for you, and you can go ahead and try our deodorized organic cocoa butter, which has all the properties of cocoa butter but without the smell. This butter is actually not bleached, so you still have the moisturizing properties of cocoa butter in it. Next is the Ilipe nut butter. If you do not like cocoa butter or deodorized cocoa butter, you can try this one. It's so hard, so it would also thicken your DIY creations, just like cocoa butter would. This butter is an incredible butter. It's very hard, and you can use it for making soaps, lotion bars, and all sorts of other products. When it comes to mango seed butter, some people are allergic to mango butter. I'm not sure why, because it's a seed butter, not nut-based, but some people actually have an allergy to it. So you can try sow seed butter, and it has almost the same properties as mango butter. You can compare it to argan oil when it's mixed. It's a very luxurious butter that you can substitute. So these are the butters that you can substitute. We also sell a ton of butters. We sell Tukuma butter, and we sell Muru Muru, and a bunch of other Amazon rainforest butters, and you can always substitute them in your DIY creations. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.